everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be plaiting my baby's hair, a very beautiful hairstyle for the summer. So let's go into it. Here I'm going to be using shine and jam for my partitioning. I'm going to be rubbing it down to give me a neater partitioning. So here I'm going to be sectioning her hair as I'm doing in the video. So this part I'll be braiding it out to the front, so I'm kind of curving it while sectioning it, as you can see in the video. So as I was done with that, I'm going to section her hair into 4 parts because I'm going to cornrow it to go up. It's called hands up. I'm going to do a hands up with this part. So I'm going to section it into 4 parts. This way it will be so easy for you to cornrow all of them to the center. Now I'm done sectioning it, and as you can see I cut out a little part in the center, so this one here will just help me to work on rolling it to the center. I'm not going to have problem with looking for space. I don't know if that makes sense. So when you get to the center itself, you don't have to look for any space to put the other cornrows. Does that make sense? So now I'm starting up to braid them. I loosen up a section, moisturize it, comb it, because this is a fussy hair. So I'm going to moisturize it, comb it, and then I start braiding them. So just watch. It's quite simple. It's a really good style for the summer. So I'm going to be adding some feedings. I'm using a Brazilian wool, so I'm going to be picking up 2 of it and feeding it in. I'm starting from here to feed it in so that it blends in very well with when I'm braiding it out. Like when I'm done cornrowing it and then I'm braiding it out, it blends very well with it. So now I'm going to braid out the center one that I cut out. I'm just going to just do just one braid there. You can do it 2, you can do it 3. It depends also on how full you want your braids to look. The ones that is falling down, it depends on how full you want it to look. Does that make sense? So that is it. You can do 2, you can do 3. It depends on what you like. So I'm just going to fit it in with 1 because I'll be turning it up, so I don't really need it to be that full. So I'm done with the back section now, and we're moving on to the front. So I'm going to be cutting it out like so. It's a little bit of a curve, not even a little bit. I gave it a good curve from the front right to the other side. So this is what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to braid out the whole front using the same cut pattern. guys, after adding my curls and all the this is what we have. So guys, tell me, is this what you'll be recreating? Thanks for watching.